Are you here for lower back pain relief? This is really going to help. Most people think that stretching is the best type of lower back pain exercise you can do, but it's not. Stretching does provide immediate relief, but it's only temporary, and that's because it doesn't address the underlying issues that cause lower back pain. Things like muscle imbalances, weak hip stabilizers, and poor movement patterns. The reason why stretching gives such immediate relief is that it stimulates blood flow and also changes the brain's conformation of the pain. And that can be valuable, but I'm not going to teach you another set of stretches that can help manage pain and don't fix the issues causing it. I'm going to share how I overcame crippling lower back pain with a simple and effective strategy. Hi, my name is Rad Burmeister from Unity Gym with the best tips and tools to do more of what you love pain-free. Okay, so here's my strategy, and it all boils down to 3 key concepts. Number 1, motion is lotion. Number 2, fix muscle imbalances. And number 3, balance strength and flexibility. I've got some great videos where I break down each of these key concepts individually, and you can click or tap the screen right there to see a playlist with them. The stress of getting older, work, kids piling up meant that my lower back pain was becoming a real issue. But I was not ready to accept that my best years were behind me. I did so much stretching. I saw chiropractors, I got sports massages every other week, and it all makes you feel better short term, but none of it actually fixes the problem. So I reached out to my physio friends and worked with some experts in their field and learned strategies that fix the issues permanently. I'm going to summarize what I learned because after 20 years of suffering, I'm now completely pain-free. If you have any questions, please type them in the comments. And if you're getting value out of this, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. All right, motion is lotion. The idea that you need to rest and avoid exercise when you have lower back pain is almost always incorrect. It's a case of move it or lose it. The problem is that most doctors and physical therapists don't understand load management, and so they advise people to avoid lifting weight to keep people safe. But strength and flexibility training is critical if you want to get over your back pain and create a permanent solution. It's not the exercise that causes pain or an injury, it's poor load management. Meaning, if you hurt your back deadlifting, it's not that deadlifting is bad for you, you just lifted too much weight or lifted with poor technique, and that's what caused the pain. Concept number 2, fix muscle imbalances. It's actually fix structural imbalances, which are 3 things. Number 1 is an imbalance between the inner unit and the outer unit. Inner unit is the deeper stabilization muscles like core muscles and hip stabilizers, and the outer unit is the prime movers, muscles like the glutes and the hamstrings. Next is imbalances between antagonistic muscles, which are opposing muscle systems in a joint. For example, the quadriceps and the hamstrings in the knee joint. And finally, imbalances from left side to right side, which play a huge role in lower back pain because they can cause your posture to be completely out of whack. And finally, we have concept number 3, which is an imbalance between strength and flexibility. As I said before, most people seem to think that they need stretching to fix lower back pain, and it's rarely the case. What you need is strength through full range of motion. And that's where this balance of strength and flexibility comes into play. If you're confused by me saying that a balance between strength and flexibility is what's important, but stretching isn't what fixes lower back pain, let me clarify. I've been a coach since 1998, and people have come to me many times asking for stretches to fix lower back pain. Now, stretches help with the symptoms. They make you feel better right now, and so they are valuable and a useful tool in the toolbox. But wouldn't it be better to never feel pain again? Also, if you don't do the things I've listed here so you get a permanent solution, then things get worse. And eventually, the relief you got from stretching now won't work anymore. So you really do need to take care of the cause of the pain and stop just treating the symptom. So let's see how all these concepts fit together in a 15-minute workout. I've made a great follow-along video that you can do right now if you just click or tap the screen right there. And if you like this content, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.